We have a question here. Let's quickly solve this. 2 raised to power x equals to 8. Show leni kole. Now, solution. We have 2 raised to power x is equals to 8. This question falls under indical equation or exponential equation. Now, what is an exponential equation? You see that our unknown here, the x, is the power or the index or the exponent here. That's why this is an exponential equation. In solving this kind of exponential or solving this question, you check here that the base here is 2 and the power is x here. Now, you agree that 8 can also be rewritten as 2 raised to power 3. That is, 8 is equal to the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. Then we have 2 raised to power x is equals to 2 raised to power 3. Here you see now that they now have the same base here. 2 is here, 2 is here, the base are equal. So since the base are equal, since the base are equal, what do we do? Equate the power. That means we are going to have x is equals to 3. That means x equals to 3. So we have solved this. We can always check if we are right or wrong to confirm your answer, to check. We have 2 raised to power x is equals to 8. Then you have x is equals to 3. That means 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8. So we have 8 is equals to 8. That means LHS is equals to RHS. So in this case, LHS means left hand side, RHS, that means they are both equal. That means this our answer is right. Surely, gole, try this. So try this. 3 raised to power x equals to 27. Drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you.